value. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero.
Cryptos are not currencies. Full stop. Cryptos are highly speculative assets that claim their fame as currency, possibly, but they're not. They are not.
I would short it if there was an easy.
Bro, the only thing he shorted was his marriage and his little girls on Jeffrey Epstein's island. It's pretty funny, right? But Bitcoin's not going to zero, and cryptos are currencies, but they also are extremely speculative assets, and everybody knows this. But crypto's weird. Crypto is everything. But let's talk about the bad times we're having today. The tough day. I'm sure you woke up this morning, you looked at your portfolio, as I did, after trying to install a curtain all night last night. Which, by the way, the curtain is still not installed. But you looked at your portfolio and you saw that Bitcoin is doing bad again. And so is your portfolio. Unless you own Phantom, which you probably should own Phantom. So, hashtag not financial advice. I got a quick meme to explain the current market crisis. That's the meme. I'm sure if you're a Me Kevin viewer, you'd know that this is a Me Kevin meme. I'm a Me Kevin viewer. Me Kevin, very smart man. I'd like to meet him someday because of how smart he is. But he's right, and this is not really that hard to understand. The money printer went brrr, and right now the money printer is going, and so we're seeing a little bit of a pullback, but he might be acting a little too aggressively, and that's exactly what people think. Because of Oma Burger could be, it's very conflicting to be honest with you, whether or not if an Oma Burger would help fucking us make more money in crypto and stocks, and in some it will and others it won't, but anyways, I mean, it's been a weird year. Weird 2 years now actually, but it's hard to say. However, there's a lot to be said about the current situation. And it is, to me, although we're kind of pumping, I think, at this actual moment. Hold on. Oh, we bounced on the hourly a little bit, which is good, but we hit an all new low of 45, 500-ish, roughly. And if you take a look at the weekly trend, of course, you'll see that, first off, MACD is probably negative. Yeah, MACD's not doing good. But it could cross over, but I think that to be entirely honest, we have a lot more bearish momentum to go. I think that we have to go lower than this, and I think that we're going into my bullish price estimate, which isn't very bullish, but my bullish price estimate for a negative swing would be 39 to 37, and my super bearish would be 29 to 32 probably. And I'd say 29, like we might wick to 29. I don't think we'll stabilize there, but if you look at the last bear market scenario of the year in 2021 in the summer, obviously we had some issues. It's the beginning of May. We hit all times high in May, but we had some issues. Even if you go back last year, this is January, we had a shit January and a really like leading up good buy opportunity November and October. So it's a new year and there's like 900 times the projects there were last year, which and there's also like a trillion more dollars in the market cap. So we're gonna be okay. But if I were you as an investor, either you're like you need to go fucking on vacation for a bit until things get better. Watch some YouTube, but don't sell your assets unless you bought a bunch of shitty, stupid assets and YOLO'd it all on, I don't know, Shiba Inu, which it could work out, I'm not gonna lie, but there's still a lot of time for things to improve, but we might need a little bit more bearish action for more buying opportunities for people like me. Now, I hope it gets worse, to be honest with you, because I want to buy the dip. Because I for damn well sure know that the market will recover. Just, historically, right? Bitcoin hasn't had a bad year yet. And anyone who has held Bitcoin for more than 3 years has always got a positive return. So, those are just some facts. But I'm not a Bitcoin bull. I don't even actually own any Bitcoin. But it's important that we sit here and we talk about Bitcoin and understand that Bitcoin is vital to our success. But there's a lot of talk about milestones being hit and a lot of the layer 1, layer 2 situations with ETH 2.0, Polygon bullshit, fucking Solana, AVAX, whatever. All sorts of shit. Phantom, Bitcoin's gonna do good, but what are you just gonna have to hope? In all honesty, I'm here to tell you my opinion on the technological improvements of currencies. Actually, I don't think it really moves the price. I mean, if you look at the Bitcoin, most recent Bitcoin update for proof of work improvement and transaction scaling, it didn't actually it moved the price down. So I think it might. I think all this shit would move the price down, not up. I don't think we're going to see a rally anytime because neither nor the American financial market seems to be rallying at this current. And I'm talking this week. I'm on. Oh well, I'm talking weekly or whatever. But the point is, it's probably gonna be another month, and we kind of start seeing some returns in February. So hopefully we have a worse dip, so that we can buy more and make bigger gains. But remember to have an exit strategy and do some Nancy Pelosi option calls, which I'll leave in the description below. But in that case, Bitcoin's not going to zero.
Easy way to do it.